Hey YouTubers, diecast collectors, it's Jerry White, the J-Man63, here coming at you with a little PC upgrade. Work in progress vid. So, duct tape, the hero of all rednecks. And I bought the Seagate Iron Wolf here, not knowing that it didn't have sliding trays. And I obviously have slider trays here, which these slot in, but I didn't have a proper bay to put this in, nor did I have the space, so this being our biggest area to put things in, I just had to duct tape it in there, as you can see. I even got it on the sides. So that's not going anywhere. That's my 2 terabyte drive. And I've got that plugged into my power cable. Now, this thing only came with this little wimpy Lexor solid state driver, which small. So what are we gonna do with that? Eventually I got a 1 terabyte solid state drive to couple with this 2 terabyte. Most of the games I'm getting that are gonna be in my queue: Car Mechanic Simulator, Wreckfest, Planet Coaster, R Factor, I think I said Wreckfest, Project Cars, Year Edition Game Bundle, Car Mechanic Simulator. Let's see, what else am I getting for Steam? Planet Coaster, I said. And I think that's about everything. I think I'm getting a Assetto Corsa. I'm getting a lot of the higher rated ones that everybody's kind of playing. Now, mine runs an EVA GeForce 960, which is kind of the bottom of the barrel. This is not the 10,650. But mine, I'm only using a single HDMI, so I don't know. When I get my Steam gift card, when my last unemployment check hits, we're going to see what she can do. I don't know. I'm trying to put some faith in my graphics card and my hardware and my little Dell LGA, but I don't know. This is going to be a lot of oomph, and once I get my graphics card, that's going to be a lot of oomph. So if I wind up burning out my graphics card on games and I have to wind up purchasing a new one, they cost about $150, $160 on Amazon. They seem to have the most reasonable prices. Now, on to the laptop drive. I am eventually going to have to slave this bad boy over to my 64 gigs I have left over. This has 320 gigs, and I'm going to be getting the data off this. And luckily, this was easy to pull out my laptop, not hard. And this has about 320 gigs RAM. It's really sad that this little laptop drive has more memory than what this thing came with. Yeah, we really have to change that. We really do. This is going to be the game changer. I have a SATA cable coming in the mail to hook up to the motherboard. Yeah, we really need to change that. We need to change that here, I think. I have an external USB to SATA power and SATA cable connection adapter for a single USB serial bus coming in the mail. That ain't arriving until like September-ish. Hopefully it'll get here early. I really have my fingers crossed it will. I don't know, but I do have a red single SATA cable coming, and I only have 2 SATA ports available to me, blocked by this graphics card. To me, this case design is not the best. I would have probably liked to demount the graphics card maybe a little lower, and that's the slot where it has to plug in, I guess. So this is how the case was designed. The chassis is okay, but I'm trying to basically turn this thing from a Honda Civic to a Toyota Supra, pretty much, so to speak. From a Honda Civic to a Porsche 911. That's the turbo, and, you know, the graphics card is going to be the extra cylinders, so got to get this thing upgraded. So, yeah, that's it for me. I do have the power hooked up, and obviously the power we're going to be slaving off of when we do all this is going to be done with this power connection right here. Alright, let me let you go before my video time runs out. And for videos and diecasts, it has to be the J-Man63. Y'all have a good one. Bye.